ancient Chinese secret.
My husband, some hotshot. Here's his ancient Chinese secret.
Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. Let's get in the zone, the cash money zone. It looks like it's going to be a Wolfman week, all right, guys? So get ready for it. Well, we got a couple of things. What's going to happen with the IMF over there, all right? They're still looking for funding. Who's going to support the IMF? The United States is getting a lot of backlash from the American citizens saying that we don't really want to be the ones to bail them out. But who's going to do it? Well, it looks like it could be China, but you got to be careful and weary about the man behind the curtain because you never know what you're going to get from the Chinese. All right? The bottom line is the Chinese are looking to fund the IMF. But what do they want in return? It's not going to be just to give them the money, even though China does need Europe for a lot of reasons, and Europe needs China for those opposite reasons. Europe provides a lot of trading finances to like Singapore and stuff like that in the Asian area. Well, China, on the other hand, exports to everybody across the world. But there are a lot of problems with that. What are they going to want in return? What some of those things are is they're probably going to want a higher status in the World Trade Organization, the WTO, all right? The other thing is they probably want a little bit more influence in the IMF. Now, what is that going to say? What are they going to want from that? But the biggest question, and I want you guys to check this out, I've done a lot of research, but there's a lot of hubbub going around about the ancient Chinese secret. It's going to be whether or not they lift this arms embargo on China, whether they'll be able to just start throwing weapons out there and selling them across the world. Right now, there's an embargo on Chinese weapons. Will that get lifted? That's really what the bottom line is that China wants to do, produce some of those weapons, get them sold on the open market rather than, well, maybe the black market. Take that. All right. A couple of other things. We had the consumer confidence, University of Michigan consumer confidence came out a lot better than expected today. It took the equities from being in negative territory up into positive territory. I don't see a whole lot of movement. There's not any volume at all. The floor is almost dead quiet, no options. Everybody's just talking about the holiday. And by the way, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas. I'll see you tomorrow, all right?
Baby girl, I think we need to sit and talk, playing with my money, paper, scissors, rock, going up my heart and stick a pin and pop, either you could be